The cord is a 2-wire 18-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the die grinder. Now I'll remove the other half as well. With the housing removed, next I'll remove the paddle switch. The paddle switch is held to the housing with a small plastic tab. I'll use a screwdriver to push down on the tab, and then I can pull the paddle switch away. Now I'll remove the cord clamp. On the opposite side of the grinder, I'll go ahead and remove the wires that come from the field to the switch. And now I can remove the switch from the housing. I'll push the plastic tab back and then pull the switch out. Now I can remove the cord from the switch. And I'll remove the string relief from the old cord. Now I can begin preparing the new cord to be installed in the grinder. First, I'll cut the wires to length. I'll use the old cord as a guide. Then I'll strip back about a 1/4 inch of insulation from each of the wires. You'll notice the old cord has some little crimp connectors attached to each of the bare wires. These aren't readily available, so to prep the new cord, I'll go ahead and just tin or apply solder to the ends of the wires. To tin the wires, I'll first apply a little flux to the wire. This makes the solder flow easier. I'll apply heat with a soldering gun. And just let the solder soak into the wire. I'll repeat this on the second wire. With the wires tinned, I can reinstall the cord guard onto the new cord. Now I'll reinstall the wires to the switch. Now I can install the switch back into the housing. I'll reconnect the field wires. And resecure the cord with the cord clamp. And now I can reinstall the switch paddle and the housings. The paddle just slides into place. Then I'll install one side of the rear housing. Make sure that the cord protector is aligned with the housing. I'll reinstall this filler piece at the rear of the housing. And now the second half of the housing, and I'll secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new power cord on your power tool.